Hello everyone, this is our second video. So we will discuss about the basic introduction part of Excel. So today we will learn about the interface of the Excel. So just quick start Excel. Then it shows the interface. This interface will appear only if you are using 2013, 16, 19 these versions. But if you are using Word 2007, you directly get this option. So this is the main interface window. We will discuss today this entire interface areas. Look at here. This area represent customize quick access toolbar. It is called customize quick access toolbar. I just give the basic name. This area is known as title bar. If you are using latest version, if you are registered or active through the Microsoft account, your name and photo ID will display here. This is the customize button which helps to minimize or maximize the ribbon, and these are the three basic commands जो किसी भी विंडो पे अवेलेबल होता है. Then this is the file command which helps to operate some file related options like save, open file, save as file, export files, etc. These areas represent the tabs or the menus like home menu, insert menu, page layout menus, and something related that. If you click on any menu, you see the entire area. This complete area is known as the ribbon. And if you look at the ribbon area, you found that name available here like clipboard and font and alignment and number and styles, then sale, then editing. These small units distribution, that is called group. And you can see every group has different commands like paste, clipboard, cut, copy, format, printer, like font related, bold, italic, underline, font size, and alignment, left, center, right, wrap text, cell style. So every group is distributed like that, so user can find the commands very easily because it is not jumbling type. Arrangement is in very proper manner, so user can find it very easily through their names. One is the name box. This area is called name box, where you see the name of every cell. And this is the function area. The fx represent the function, and this area shows formula bar. If you type any formula or any value into the cell, it means the single boxes. This every single box is cell. When you type anything in the cell, you see the result here. But this option is used to select all, and you can say the entire sheet, entire cells. These are the columns A, B, C, D, E, F. These are the columns, and these are the rows. This option sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, when you click the plus option, you can get another sheet, another sheet, another sheet. It means it is the option of the insert sheet. Then this is a horizontal scroll bar, this is a vertical scroll bar, and these areas are the zoom command option. It means you can customize your display size of the sheet. And these are the views option. You can change the view of your sheet. So these are the complete interface window. So I hope you will understand something, and we will discuss in the next session how to use these entire interface options. So thank you. Happy learning.